get some stuff for me from supermarket cause जो island है Viz वहाँ पे we'll have to pay a lot for this, you know. वहाँ पे काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव होंगी चीज़ें, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा इतना बचा सकते हैं जितना एयरबीएनबी का फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं। उठा देने सामान सारा होता ही है, फ्रूट्स वगैरह ये सब ले सकता हूँ। एंड देन यही होती है स्टूडेंट लाइफ। Because you have to catch a ferry, otherwise if we miss this ferry, then next ferry is in the evening. I'll just have a breakfast and then directly leave from here because we need time to reach there. At least half an hour we need because we have luggage and everything. Look, for example, this car let me go first and then this car is going. So this is the rule. This is what I was explaining yesterday. Croatia almost Delhi जैसा ही लग रहा है। देखो क्या चेंज है इसमें। The geography is change of course, but like look फ्रॉम द डेवलपमेंट पर्सपेक्टिव कहते हैं यूरोप का देश है। आउटस्कर्ट्स में ऑलमोस्ट सेम है। अपने जो ओल्ड टाउन्स हैं वो सब तो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए हैं, तो अपना कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है। आई डोंट थिंक इतना कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है। मिडल जो ओल्ड टाउन होता है, जो इनका पुराना टाउन है, वो तो इन लोग ने प्रिजर्व करके रखा है। ओल्ड डेलमेशियन पैलेस और जो भी है डेलमेशियन कोस्ट के पूरे जितने सिटीज़ हैं बढ़िया दिखते हैं। बट ये आउटस्कर्ट्स में जो साइड में अगर आप आओ सिटी के, तो वो सब ऐसा ही दिखता है जैसे दिल्ली विल्ली में दिखता है। इतनी बारिश हो रही है एंड स्टिल वी हैव टू कैच फेरी। फेरी का ये सीन है, वी हैव टू रीच 1 hour earlier, otherwise it's totally booked. So let's see. Our ferry is at 11 o'clock. At least this hat is saving me. That is a good part. Other than that, the system got really shitty today. When we booked the tickets and everything, this was not at all the case. There was no weather forecast was saying that it's gonna rain, but this is how it is. Welcome to Split. Worst part is that it's raining. Good part is that there are very less people right now. Man, I got pimple here. It looks so weird. One good thing that Germany taught me: there are no bad weather. They are just bad clothes. Many people are just like having umbrella, just sitting around, and I'm just like roaming around the street. These like stones, they are really slippery. Good that I'm having these shoes on because everywhere you go you'll find these kind of marvels. So this is the Viva Promenade, like it's the main center. There was an article which I've read saying that if you even book a ticket in advance, it could be possible they refund you thing and don't let you enter. Okay, I'll just directly go there 1 hour early, try to book the ticket. First island visit, like at least I haven't been to any island so far. I'm quite excited for this. So bhai, we are kind of cooked. Yeah, we can buy the tickets. So our day is kind of ruined, like not ruined, but we're figuring out how to make the most amount of day. So we are here right now to this Dessoudian Palace. This was the mosaic flooring they did here in the earlier times, bro. It's so amazing. Yeah, remains are still there from that time, but a couple of people just threw some shit on there. I just checked on internet that in Game of Thrones, Daenerys's throne room, it has been filmed here, like on this palace. Like this part, I suppose maybe it has been filmed there, but this is where we are right now. You can also take those walking tours that lady is selling. She's the most stupid girl I have met, man. I was just sitting and there was some pigeon and something, and she started shouting like, and everybody's fucking watching us, bro. And I was so scared. I thought like something is falling on her or something. That's why she, man. It was pigeon, right?
Of course.
And she was, something like this. I don't know, man. It's the most stupid girl I have met.
I was scared.
Bro, you could have just bent something. Why are you shouting? Even pigeon got more scared from you than you got from him. You are embarrassing. They are having this long line. It could be possible because of the Game of Thrones was shot there. It's really crowded. Good that we did not went to Dubrovnik. We are just playing phase 10 now, and we have a lot of time left, like 2 hours. So oh, they are also going there. I want to see what there is. I mean, there it's a cathedral. Maybe we can go on the tower. Now the weather got better.
better, and we are here stuck for an hour. My English is really fucked up after I started learning German. There is this croissant store. This is special kind of croissant. There's this ice cream kind of thing filled inside. Ice cream magnum or something. We can try one. I don't know what is this place, but we just found a really nice.
Enjoy
For
it.
you, it's for me.
Now taste test.
Good. I thought this is gonna be small as we have in Hamburg. Man, but it's carrying trucks inside. Cars, trucks, I don't know what not. You see whole Dalmatian coast you can see from here. Oh, fucking bro, I'm amazed by this, the capacity of the ships, right?
I'm used to it.
I'm just amazed at the amount of cars you can.
Thank you so much.
And she meant we are going up, right?
Yeah.
Where exactly? When I was kid, at that time I went to a cruise, and this is my second time. Amazing. These are the islands, if you can see, at the back and there, and we are gonna be going on one island. Amazing. I'm super excited for this. I think I can see where this is. This island is. Bro, we are almost there on this island. It's just at the back. I'm kind of getting excited right now. Maybe it will take 20 minutes more. I hope we reach early because we have to take a bus to our Airbnb. Like it's from Viz to Comiza. For that, we just have limited amount of bus connections. What was that, bro? Limited amount of bus connections. Then we will directly go to Comiza. The plan was to explore a little bit more, but we got late. Wasted a lot of time today because of me. I take the responsibility. Yeah, I take the responsibility, but
It was not wasted.
I think still worth it. Yeah. This side is more beautiful than the right side, I guess. Little villages and like little ferries and everything. Interesting thing about this island is this was the army camp from 1944 to 1989. They closed this island for the foreigners, and this was the because it was the most important naval base. They also made some hidden spots, hidden caves, so they could hide the submarines inside. You know, it's really interesting. Also, this island was found in 4th century, so it's the second or first city of Croatia. The amount of cars here is insane. Bro, the buses are insane. Buses, truck, trolleys, cars, bikes, I don't know what not. Everything is fucking inside. This is insane. First island. So in the buses here, they do not accept the card. You have to pay with the cash. Also, there are some scooters, something like this. You can rent the scooters here. I'm not having a physical license. If you don't have a physical license, you cannot rent it. If the police asks, then you have to show some physical ID. 350 to go to Comiza. Bro, we are here. Now we have to go to our... We can rent a scooter like these I was talking about. You You can rent these scooters and bikes and motorbikes. It's gonna be so much fun if I could rent these. It's like this. You're gonna be living in one of those houses. It's cost her 120 euros, like, and it's looking so good. And the best thing is Komiza is facing west, so in like after getting freshed up, we can directly have some sunset view from here. It's gonna be super amazing. Look, the camera is not doing the justice. I can confirm. Yeah, I'm confirming it's not doing at all. Man, it would be better that I just enjoy by myself now. The best thing is it's so peaceful here, and in Split it was super crowded, super crowded. And here, because it's island, it takes like, you know, you have to put extra efforts just to come to this island. People are less. It's, yeah, of course expensive, but it's also beautiful at the same time. And from here you can go to Blue Cave. We haven't direct booked a tour to Blue Cave, but from here there are many of these boats which make tours. Like you can register from them directly, private tours, and just directly go there. And look, like it's really peaceful here and so good. And it's west facing, so the sunset's gonna be happening this side. I like this one. So we will also stay in one of these houses. It could be here, bro. It could be here. I think we were lost a little bit, but खंडर में तो नहीं रहेंगे भाई. 400 साल पुराने खंडर हैं तो भाई इतने पुराने घर में हम लोग 100 साल तो पुराना हो गया आई थिंक. बहुत ही पुराना घर है. लकड़ियाँ देख रहे हो. एंड जो रूम मिला है मुझे, लुक एट दिस. कितना पुराना रूम है ये. And the view from this room is amazing. Amazing, bro. The house is amazing. The amazing house, bro. Like कितना पुराना घर है. इसमें रह रहे हैं हम लोग. और व्यू दिखाता हूँ तुमको. बिल्कुल सामने का व्यू है. Mesmerizing. I love mountains. Look at this. भाई, this is my dream life. हम यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं भाई. Amazing. Literally living my dream life, man. These houses are so old. I don't know, maybe like 200 years old, right? और यहाँ पे like we have the smell of this wine, because wine is famous because they have winery farm. They cultivate grapes and everything. So everywhere in every street you can literally smell this wine flavor. Now we are going for sunset. Let's see. So we will try to save some money. We have the opportunity to cook at our place today, so we'll just directly buy something from the supermarket and cook at our place. But the thing is, it could get a little expensive here, but expensive here, but you cannot expect anything better here, you know. We just bought some stuff for evening, bought a drink, and now we are going to Komiza beach. Let's go. The sun is gone now. I'm having now sweet drink because something went into my mouth. Shoes are helping me a lot, and this is the view what we are enjoying right now. It's super nice, and it could not be get more good than this, right? तो यहाँ आने के बाद लगता है यार इंसान जीता किस लिए है. I wish कि जितने लोग देख रहे हैं सब ऐसे ही मोमेंट्स को एंजॉय कर पाएँ, अपनी लाइफ बेटर कर पाएँ, अपने जानने वालों की लाइफ बेटर कर पाएँ. सो दिस इज इट मैन. So these are the boats on Komiza Island from where you can book the tours to just on the Viz Island, also to Blue Cave, which we wanted to do. So the thing is, from Split when we were trying to book the tour, it was costing us 150 euros, and here it's costing 50 euros in total with the ticket, you know. It's worth it. We are like, you know, we paid for an apartment, we are living here, and we can just directly do the tour. If you're coming to Croatia and to Komiza, Viz Island and to Komiza beach, you can just directly book here. No need to book from the Split, you know. It does not worth it. I am like so excited, and tomorrow weather is nice. We can do this Blue Cave thing, man. It's so amazing. There are these restaurants like, but first we have to go to our apartment, cook some food, and then we'll come here. I can directly contact him or something like that, and then directly book the ticket for Blue Cave. I think I will do it. I think I like to do it.
And the price would be 30 euros?
30 euro for the transfer plus 24 for the Blue Cave ticket.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I can also write you down my number.
I think it is.
Tomorrow weather is nice as they told me in the weather forecast, and we are reserving the ticket now. So she want to reserve right now. I cannot say right no to it anyways. So we confirmed it and we are doing it. I cannot fucking believe she's excited about this. I'm also excited, man. I wanted to
I'm
do this.
so
Like,
excited.
you know, you never know when the sea level rises, and in some years you cannot visit it. It's so amazing.
I didn't thought that we can make it.
So the thing is, they are telling they get the instructions from Bisevo Island where this blue cave is. So they tell them, okay, the weather is nice, blue cave is visible. Then they do all this transfer thing. So what we did right now, we booked a ferry for 30 euros per person. And at the time of blue cave, when we will be there will be a tour guide who will take us to there into the blue cave, and we have to pay 25 euros more. Let's hope it's that mesmerizing how I have expected it to be. But I'm not having any high hopes, but I wish it happens. And this Comiza beach was also very nice, man. This is the bluest beach what you have watched, right? Like it's very clear. Generally okay, in general, where she is from, where her parents take her, it's not that blue in Germany. I'm taking deep breath because climbing these things, it doesn't look like, but we are kind of climbing, you can see from here. And all these Dalmatian coast cities get beautiful in the night. I don't know, due to some reason, with the lightning, with the stone color, with everything, it gets super beautiful. पुरानी हवेलियाँ नहीं होती हैं, like हवेली क्या मतलब पुराने जो घर होते हैं, वही वो वाली वाइब है यार. यूरोप में पहले घर ऐसे ही होते थे, उसी में रुका हुआ मैं. Amazing. And from here, you can watch the mountains. So we are having our dinner, and our host gave us this book. So her brother wrote this book and she gifted us our blue cave. He writes many books and everything, and this is one of this. And tomorrow we are going there. We are on this island right now in Comiza. We are just strolling around in the city. We already went to Comiza beach. These Dalmatian coast cities have totally different vibe in the evening. It's kind of rich. I don't know. I get a little bit of Arabic vibe. Look, where am I right now? बहुत समय तक ये आइलैंड एक आर्मी कंट्रोल के अंदर था, कि एक नेवल बेस था, तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट आइलैंड था. यहाँ पे सारे जो टूरिस्ट वगैरह हैं उन सब बना हुआ था, तो बहुत समय तक टूरिस्ट के लिए तो एटलीस्ट ये ओपन नहीं था. फिर धीरे धीरे जब इनका वो रूल ख़त्म हुआ 1944 से लेकर 1989 तक इन लोगों ने का नेवल बेस था. ये आई थिंक 4th सेंचुरी में मिला था ये आइलैंड, और ये क्रोएशिया का आई थिंक 2nd सिटी था. जो मेरे को बुक मिली है मेरी होस्ट की तरफ से, मैं भी उसमें से पढ़ के तुमको कल इन्फॉर्मेशन ढंग से बताऊंगा. लव इज़ बुलशिट, देयर इज़ नो हैप्पी एंड. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. वो जो इनकी आर्मी थी, वो उनका जब रूल खत्म हुआ उसके बाद ये सब ओपन हुआ है. मेरा इंटरेस्ट है ब्लू केव में, थोड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है यार. आई थिंक मैं स्विमिंग सीख गया हूँ भाई, पहली बार आया डायरेक्ट समुद्र में स्विमिंग सीखी मैंने. लुक एट दिस, क्या ही मतलब इतना सीनिक व्यू, ऊपर से ये समुद्र विद परफेक्ट मून. वाह.
The next day.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Or look at the view. और जो मेरी होस्ट है वो 73 years old है. उनकी दादी मम्मी सब इसी कमरे में बॉन्ड हुई है, इस कमरे में जहाँ हम अभी रह रहे हैं. बस थोड़ी देर में हम निकलते हैं. अभी हम तैयार होना शुरू होंगे ब्लू केव वगैरह के लिए. पूरी तो नहीं पढ़ पाया, बट एटलीस्ट 50 पन्ने पढ़ लिए रात में सोने से पहले. मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि पोएट्स बहुत, मतलब पहले जो एक्सप्लोरर्स हुआ करते थे आके लिखा करते थे इसमें कि ऐसी ब्यूटी है ब्लू केव जिसको कोई पोएट, कोई पेंटिंग, कोई वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकता. ये सिर्फ ऐसे डिस्क्राइब करी जा सकती है. जाओ और खुद देखो जाके. मैं भी शायद इस बुक की बात को मानूंगा
और शायद मैं ब्लू केव नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा तुमको क्योंकि उसकी ब्यूटी कैमरे में भी डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकती। हाँ भाई, नेचुरल चीज होती है एक्साइटमेंट से भरी हुई। शायद इस ब्यूटी को अपने कैमरे के थ्रू डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पाऊंगा। आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जाओ अपनी तरीके से देखो जाके। मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है, आई थिंक हमें ब्लू केव जाने का मौका मिलेगा। ये मौसम खराब होता तो हमको फोन करके मना कर देते कि नहीं, ब्लू केव की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शन आ गया है कि आज कोई ब्लू केव टूर नहीं हो पाएगा। पर आई डोंट थिंक कि हमको कोई फोन आया है, कॉल आई है, व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आया है, तो आई थिंक हम लोग जा पाएंगे। और ये बुक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है भाई, मैंने तो मतलब सोचा ही था यार। इंटरेस्टिंग, ट्रैवल करो तो यही एक्सपीरियंस होता है यार। लाइक सो वी काइंड ऑफ गॉट फक्ड बाय द ब्लू केव पीपल because the weather is nice, as you can see, like, you know, it's super good, but still they canceled the thing. So we have one more chance to try it tomorrow. I think tomorrow it should work out. So we have one more chance to try, but today then the plan changed and now we are trying to go some other beaches. First we are going to look for some cycles, if we could get some cheap cycle or scooter. If we could get some electric scooter, because normal cycles won't work on these hilly areas. So right now we are riding this scooter here and we got a great deal, like for 12 hours it's like 50 euros or something. We have to sign a contract and my license work with this. So I'm having the license for motorcycle. I can ride a motorcycle and a car as well, so I can also ride this. That won't be a problem. While test driving I just felt that the air is a little bit less, so we are just getting it checked and let's see how it goes. I am not sure about the waves, but we have to figure it out. Quite scared right now. Don't worry, nothing's gonna happen. So I'm just make sure there are no damages from my side. There are already damages, for example here on the silencer and here. Bro, so we got this. Go around. I think that is the Hawara thing. And we are going on this Mata Pitsiete. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's also a very nice beach, bro. We got this just by showing my driving license photo. It's still working, it's fine. It's amazing. This is the really nice view from here. Can you show around a little bit from here? Bro, it's amazing. भाई, I'm living the ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा वाली मूवी की फीलिंग है. Like on an island in Croatia. इतना नीला ब्लू बीच मैंने कभी नहीं देखा भाई. इतना ब्लू कभी कोई ओशन बीच नहीं देखा मैंने. Let me show you what I'm living in.